males have to leave their family, they only have each other for company. Tembo was forced from his family when his boisterous nature was getting out of hand. Here is just what's required. A chance to test his strength and find his place in this bachelor herd. For now, he's right at the bottom. There's always a bigger elephant. Fights between old tuskers are fierce. The winning bull has seen the new arrival. The tusker will decide if Tembo belongs. He could be crushed with just one blow, but there's no real aggression here. Tembo has been accepted. He may be the lowest in the pecking order, but he's a step closer to fulfilling his destiny.